Welcome to the channel Everyday English Talk. Hi Jake, how are you?
I am good, Lisa. How are you? And
I'm fine. Thanks and excited because I want to talk about traveling today.
travel. Yes, I love that topic. Travel makes me feel alive.
Me too. I want to explore the world, learn new cultures, try new food.
And get lost, ha ha ha.
Yes, getting lost is normal while traveling.
But if we learn to ask for directions, we can find our way again.
Exactly, that is our topic. Asking for directions while traveling.
Lisa, if you travel, where do you want to go first?
I want to go to Paris and you.
Tokyo for technology, food, and cute robots, ha ha ha.
Great choices. But first thing travelers need is polite language.
Yes, always start with, "Excuse me, can you help me?"
Perfect polite question. Another one. Where is the train station?
Not where train station, ha ha ha.
Yes, grammar is important while traveling.
Sometimes travelers forget manners. They say, "Hey, you help."
Yes, that sounds rude. Ha 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 ha. So remember polite words. Excuse me, please, thank you.
Thank you so much is always good too.
Now let's learn some direction phrases. Left, right, straight, corner, near, next to, across from, opposite,
Opposite means facing each other right.
correct across the road.
And like fast food opposite gym, ha ha ha.
Exactly healthy versus unhealthy battle, ha ha ha. Transportation vocabulary, bus stop, train station, airport, taxi, subway, flight, gate, boarding pass.
Lisa, I want to ask a question. Can I say I want? Go airport.
Almost add to.
I want to go to the airport.
Perfect, now you sound like a pro traveller. Some useful full questions. How do I get to the airport? Where is the museum? Is this the right way to the hotel?
What is difference? Where is verse? How do I get to?
Where is equals location? How do I get to directions step by step?
Okay, thanks, teacher. Ha 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 ha.
Travellers also need to know how to understand answers. Go straight, turn left, turn right. At the traffic light, cross the street.
I always forget after second turn, ha ha ha. Say my brain disappears, ha ha ha.
If you do not understand, say, "Sorry, could you repeat that, please?"
Or can you speak more slowly?
Very good. Let's practice. I am tourist, you are local.
Okay. Welcome to my city. How can I help you?
Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the museum?
Go straight then turn right at the big bakery. The museum is next to the river.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your time.
See, easy.
Yes, but in real life, people talk fast.
True. Then ask politely to repeat. Many travellers also need airport English. Check-in, passport, security check, final call, delayed, cancelled.
Cancelled means no flight. Sad traveler.
Yes, very sad, ha ha ha.
Maybe eat snacks and cry, ha ha ha.
Hotel English. I have a reservation. Can I check in? Where is the elevator? Can I have the Wi-Fi password?
Elevator is American, lift is British, right?
Correct, both are useful. Travel idioms. Hit the road equals start a journey. Off the beaten path equals not famous places. Travel light equals pack small bags.
I always travel heavy 10 shirts 2 days, ha ha ha.
Same, we are fashion travellers, ha ha ha. Also asking locals about cool places. What do you recommend? Any good restaurants around here? What is a popular place to visit?
Sometimes locals show secret places, best food, best spots.
Yes, locals are travel heroes. Culture tips, smile, be patient, learn simple words, be polite.
Like bonjour, hola, konnichiwa.
Exactly, and assalamu alaikum too.
Greetings make travel friendly.
If you feel lost, I think I am lost, can you help me? Could you show me on the map? Is this the right bus to the city centre?
Map is lifesaver because memory is limited, ha ha ha.
Yes, brain battery low, ha ha ha. We will continue more travel English in a moment because there is so much to learn.
Yes, travel English is big adventure.
We already learned so many useful travel phrases, but there is more we should learn. Yes, travel English is like a suitcase. It keeps getting fuller and fuller, ha ha ha. Very true. First, let's learn about buying tickets. Yes, I need to know that to travel smart.
At a ticket counter, you can say, I would like a ticket to the city center, please. One way or return. Return means go and come back. So if I want only one direction, I say, One-way ticket, please. Exactly, perfect usage.
If you want time information, what time does the next train leave? When does the bus arrive? How long does it take to get there?
Take means travel time, right? Yes, for example, it takes 30 minutes to get there. Okay, easy sentence. I will use it always.
Next airport vocabulary: boarding time, departure, arrival, customs, immigration.
Immigration checks passport and gives permission to enter country. Correct, you are smart traveler now.
Sometimes we need to ask, where can I buy a metro card? Which platform for this train? Is this seat taken?
Platform means the place where train comes. Exactly the number, like platform 2, platform 3.
Now, about streets and places vocabulary: downtown city centre, roundabout, pedestrian street, alley, bridge, highway.
Roundabout is like a big circle road where cars go around. Exactly, many travelers get confused. There, ha ha ha. Yes, spinning cars spinning. Brain, ha ha ha.
If you are in a shop, how much is this? Do you take card? Can I get a discount receipt, please?
Receipt means paper that says what you buy. Yes, and keep it safe for record.
If you are eating outside, table for two, please, menu, please. What do you recommend? I am allergic to nuts. Can I have the bill, please?
Bill is American, tab also used, yes, both common, and tip means extra money to say thank you. Good service, perfect cultural knowledge.
Emergency sentences, very important. I need help. Call the police. I lost my passport. I need a doctor. Where is the hospital?
I hope we never need those, but good to know. Yes, safety first, travelers.
Useful words for asking directions: between, behind, in front of, around the corner. Between means in the middle of two things. Correct. For example, the shop is between the bank and the park.
Behind means at the back side. Yes, like the bus stop is behind the hotel. Front of means opposite side, directly before something. Exactly, you remember everything.
Sometimes directions include distance: 5 minutes walk, 2 blocks away, near the station.
Block means part of street, right? Yes, in many cities, street sections are called blocks.
Let's learn how locals might answer fast. Take the second left. Follow the road until the bridge. Keep going straight. You will see a big supermarket.
Take the second left means turn left 2 times. Almost, it means the second left turn. You see, okay? Not 2 lefts, just the second one, ha 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 ha. Right, good correction.
Asking for help with pronunciation. How do you say this in English? Could you write the name of the street? Can you please speak a bit slower?
Yes, slower is very helpful for me, ha ha ha. For me too, ha ha ha.
When booking hotels online or in person, do you have any rooms available? Is breakfast included? I would like to stay for 2 nights. Can I pay by card?
Included means already part of the price. Yes, perfect understanding.
Let's practice a longer travel situation.
Okay, I am ready.
I am lost in a big city, and I ask a local person, "Hi, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the Science Museum?" Sure, go straight for 10 minutes, then take a right. You will see a tall glass building. That is the museum. Thank you so much. Is it near a bus stop? Yes, the bus stop is in front of the museum. Great, thanks again.
Wow, I feel like real local guide now. Ha ha ha. Yes, your directions are very clear.
Idioms related to travel again. Catch a flight equals take a plane. Red eye flight equals late night flight. Miss the boat equals miss a chance. Jet lag equals tired, because different time zones.
Jet lag is real zombie mode, ha 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 ha. Yes, tired face walking like, ha ha ha.
Also words for travel issues: baggage claim, lost and found, overbooked. Gate changed.
Overbooked means too many passengers, not enough seats. Exactly, airline mistakes sometimes.
Conversation when renting a car: I would like to rent a car. Do you have automatic cars? I need insurance. Where can I return the car?
Insurance protects from accidents. Correct, always good to have.
More questions travelers use: can you recommend a good hotel? Is it safe to walk here at night? Where can I exchange money?
Exchange money means change currency, exactly to local money.
Finally, review everything with speed. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the train station? How do I get to the airport? Can you say that again? Please turn left. Turn right, go straight behind. Between, in front of. How long does it take? Can I have the bill? I lost my passport, baggage. Claim lost and found.
So many phrases I feel like my brain is now airport. Ha ha ha. Your brain is ready to travel around the world.
Travel makes us smarter, happier, more confident, and more hungry. Ha ha ha. Yes, try new food always. Thank you everyone for learning with us today.
You are amazing listeners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Keep traveling, keep learning. See you soon. Bye 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 bye.